Quick question. Can animals laugh? Most people think laughter is something only humans do. After all, when we laugh, we make sounds, smile, and usually react to something funny. But scientists discovered that many animals make laughter-like sounds too. Rats giggle, chimpanzees pant when they want to play, dogs make special sounds, and some birds even seem to laugh. So, what's actually going on? Are animals really laughing, or is it something completely different? Today, we're exploring how different animals laugh and what that tells us about their emotions. Welcome to Probe This 101.
Part 1. What is laughter?
Before we look at animals, we need to understand what laughter actually is. For humans, laughter is often linked to humor, playfulness, social bonding, and relief from stress. Scientists think that laughter may have evolved long before jokes and comedy existed. The earliest form of laughter was probably a signal that said, "Everything is okay." Imagine two young animals wrestling. One accidentally bumps into the other. Without a signal, they could start a real fight. But a laughter-like sound tells everyone, "I'm playing, not attacking." Many scientists believe this is where laughter began.
Part 2. Chimpanzees and other apes.
Let's start with our closest relatives. Chimps, bonobos, gorillas, and orangutans all produce laughter-like sounds during play. But they don't sound like human laughter. Instead, they make rhythmic panting noises while wrestling, chasing, or being tickled. Researchers have even tickled young chimps and observed these play sounds. The interesting part? The sounds serve the same purpose as human laughter. They help maintain friendly social interactions and show that the activity is playful rather than aggressive. Because humans and apes share a common ancestor, scientists think that our laughter may have evolved from these ancient play vocalizations.
Part 3. The giggling rats.
This next one surprises almost everyone. Rats can laugh. Sort of. Scientists discovered that when rats are tickled, they produce tiny chirping sounds. The sounds are so high-pitched that humans can't hear them without special equipment. These vocalizations occur around 50 kilohertz, far beyond normal human hearing. Even more interesting, rats often seek out tickling after experiencing it. Some will chase the scientist's hand and appear eager to play again. Researchers also believe that these sounds are signs of positive emotion. In other words, rats might actually enjoy being tickled.
Part 4. Dogs and play laughter.
Have you ever noticed your dog making strange breathing sounds while playing? Scientists have identified something called a play pant. It sounds different from normal panting. Dogs often use it during games, chasing, or friendly interactions. Studies have shown that hearing recordings of play panting can help reduce stress in shelter dogs. The sound seems to communicate, "I'm friendly, let's play." Just like laughter helps humans bond socially, these sounds may help dogs build positive relationships.
Part 5. Dolphins and their play signals.
Dolphins are one of the most intelligent animals on Earth. While they don't laugh like humans, researchers have found special sounds associated with playful behavior. During games and social interactions, dolphins often produce distinct vocal signals. Some studies suggest these sounds help coordinate play and prevent misunderstandings. Just like human laughter, they may function as social signals that keep interactions friendly. Considering of how social dolphins are, that makes quite a lot of sense.
Part 6. Birds that sound like they're laughing.
Some birds make sounds that humans interpret as laughter. One famous example is the kookaburra. Its call sounds remarkably similar to a group of people laughing. But here's the twist. The bird isn't actually laughing. The call is mainly used for communication and territory defense. Still, it demonstrates an important point. Just because the sound resembles human laughter doesn't mean it serves the same purpose. Scientists focus not only on how a sound sounds, but also why it is being made.
Part 7. Why do animals have laughter-like sounds?
Across many species, these sounds share several common functions, encouraging play, reducing aggression, strengthening social bonds, and signaling positive emotions. In social animals, communication is essential. A simple sound can prevent conflicts and help group members understand each other's intentions, which is incredibly useful for survival. Scientists call these behaviors laughter-like because they share functions similar to human laughter, even if they don't sound exactly the same.
Part 8. Do animals actually find things funny?
Now, for the big question. Do animals actually find things funny? The honest answer is we don't know for sure. Animals clearly experience playfulness and positive emotions. Many species enjoy games, teasing, chasing, and social interactions. But humor is much harder to measure. We can't ask a rat if a joke is funny, nor interview a chimp about comedy. For now, scientists can only study behavior and brain activity, but the experience of humor remains one of the biggest mysteries in animal cognition. After all this, you might be wondering, why should we care if animals laugh? Because understanding animal emotions help us understand ourselves. The more similarities we discover between humans and other species, the more we learn about the evolution of behavior, communication, and social relationship. It also helps improve animal welfare. If animals experience positive emotions, play, and social bonding, then providing opportunities for these experiences becomes even more important. Studying laughter isn't just about funny sounds, it's about understanding life. So, can animals laugh? Not exactly like humans, but many animals produce laughter-like sounds. Chimps pant during play. Rats emit ultrasonic giggles. Dogs use play panting. And dolphins produce playful social signals, while some birds sound like they're laughing even though they're not. These behaviors help animals communicate, bond, and enjoy social interactions. The next time you hear a dog playing, a chimp panting, or a bird that sounds like it's laughing, remember, you might be hearing the evolutionary roots of one of humanity's most recognizable behaviors. If I missed anything, feel free to let me know in the comments. And as always, keep asking questions.